Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pindo. They also call me Tips with Dave. And in today's video, we are simply going to be talking about Systeme.io and specifically whether it makes sense to get started for free, get the paid plan. What is the webinar plan? It's just a tool that I think is really important. And if you want to make that decision of where to get started and what to use this, and if it makes sense or not, then this video is for you. So I'm going to jump on my screen in a second and share with you the rest. All right, guys, here I am on my screen and I'm super happy to share the information in this video. Guys, this channel is all about skill sets that you can start to use to pave the way for your dreams to come true. I specifically am teaching a lot of affiliate marketing, email marketing, and traffic generation on this channel. And one of the tools that I personally use for every single thing that I do in my business, not really right now only, but even for the future, for the long term, is Systeme.io. So I really want to get started with sharing with you how I use the platform as an all-in-one marketing platform, as an all-in-one tool for my emails, for my landing pages, for my blogs and everything else. And also, if you really want to make a starting decision when you should actually go from free to a paid. So let me go to the pricing and share with you guys about that in a second. But you might be watching this video because you're researching about Systeme.io. So I really want you guys to watch it till the very end, see whether this makes sense for you, and this kind of information and training also makes sense. Let me know in the comment section first and foremost. And also, if it does, then hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you get notified for future videos, specifically on Systeme.io, because I'm going to be making a lot of them and also courses in the future related to this tool, which will be beneficial for you. But for now, what I want to share with you is just to understand basically what plans they have, what's the pricing structure, and when to actually make that decision, or if you're really ready to take this seriously as affiliate marketing or any kind of marketing for that matter, when to move on with the pricing plans and how it compares to other ones. So just to give you guys an idea, let's go to the pricing right here. And what I'm also going to be doing is I'm going to open ClickFunnels because I want to show you ClickFunnels because it's the most in-depth kind of sales tool that is used right now in the business. So ClickFunnels 2.0 is just out recently, and you can see that on monthly basis, ClickFunnels, there's no free membership, guys. Okay, that you can get free 14-day trial, and then after that, you simply pay the different amounts, right? So monthly, for example, is $147 just for the basic membership, $197, and then $297. Now, this is not to say that ClickFunnels is good or ClickFunnels is bad. This is not that kind of a review. I'm just showing you the price differences. And it's really up to you where you are if you want to get started with this. For me, as a new person, I think this is a little bit too much to spend in the beginning months. 147 is quite a lot to have in terms of ClickFunnels that you're spending every single month, right? But really, it's up to you if you want to do this with your tool or not. On the other hand, ClickFunnels is really good for advanced marketers who know what they want, who know with specific workflows that they have, there are people using this software which are going to be, multi-millionaires and billionaires also just using the software. Okay, so it is pretty in-depth and they're very good with their software. It's really up to you whether you want, how you want to navigate in this space or in the future. But either way, the skill sets that you have or learn with affiliate marketing, whether it's with ClickFunnels or whether it's with Systeme.io or any other software or tools, guys, it's very much important that the skill sets are at the core. Because, for example, and I'm using ClickFunnels as an example, but I will use also Systeme.io as an example. If you learn how to create a good converting funnel within ClickFunnels, you can use that skill set to teach other people, to show that to other people, to even offer your services to other companies and in general, anybody for that matter who's looking to do the same. So you can be a SaaS or you can be a service, right, for somebody else using ClickFunnels as the base, and then you can generate sales for those people. So it's quite interesting skill set because learning it can definitely generate you an income in your personal life as a side hustle and everything else because you're learning a skill. That being said, let's go to the pricing of Systeme.io. So how do I begin? I'll basically begin by sharing with you how I saw my thought process in getting Systeme.io. First and foremost, I had this monthly fee of $147. I was a ClickFunnels member, but I went into Systeme.io specifically because I said, I want to eliminate some of my monthly billings for affiliate marketing, and I wanted to start from scratch. So I said, if I'm starting from scratch, I think Systeme.io is better as an option, first and foremost. Secondly, even if I go to the unlimited plan, watch the difference. Even if I go to the unlimited plan, this is super important. You will see that it's $97 a month, and I'm still saving what? $47 every single month just on that one. Even if I go to the top plan, which is everything unlimited, I'm saving 47 on compared to the basic plan in ClickFunnels. Either way, even if I spend the most amount of money, I'm still spending less than what I was spending before with using ClickFunnels as the main, hub for me. So that's why I personally shifted over to Systeme.io. The second thing that I wanted, if I had to just get started and not talk about the tool and just use it as a tool, which I am using it as a tool, and not share my journey and not document my journey. The whole point of me documenting my journey is to show that the challenge is there and you can achieve it. I would have started with the startup at least. Okay, the reason why I would start with the startup is because the startup plan is $27 a month, which is quite doable, right? 5,000 contacts that you can have. So 5,000 emails, unlimited email sent, 10 sales funnels, 50 steps. That means basically 50 pages, 5 blogs. This is super interesting because I could then, for example, create different blogs and funnels, and cool, I have so many ideas just with this startup plan, right? And have it for each offer. So for example, if I'm in the health and fitness niche, right? I'm going to create a blog. I'm gonna select one product. I'm gonna use Bing ads or Google ads as my traffic source and send people there. And I have all these free methods and everything that's there. So I'm creating an ecosystem now for this health and fitness offer, just with the funnel, with the blog, and with the course. Oh my God, now I have 3 income streams, a value ladder that I can create just from this one. And I can do the same for different niches. So I can do it for the internet marketing niche. I can do it for different niches that I can decide, right? The relationship niche also. So you can test different things out. And I think the startup plan is pretty cool because of that. You have 5 blogs that you can create with unlimited blog posts. So you can create unlimited blog posts, but 5 blogs itself. I personally have 1 blog already. So I can see the advantage of that. 5 courses, 5 communities that you can create, unlimited community members. Automation rules are pretty cool because you have automation rules, you have 5 workflows. So all going well, tags, which is 10 email lists, basically 10 campaigns that you can have. So this is another reason. Upsells, order bumps, A/B testing, coupon codes, all of these things. I would say startup would be the best value for money to get started. Besides the startup, after the startup, I would jump actually from the startup to the $97 per month, but that's for another video. Let's go ahead and just talk about the startup. But what I did was I started with the free plan. Now, why did I start with the free plan is for one specific reason, guys. I wanted to show my journey. So currently I have about 59 new leads, as you can see right here. 59 leads of when I'm shooting this video is basically what I have. So until I get 2,000, I will still be on a free plan. So right now I'm paying nothing. I am limited. I will be honest with you guys. I am limited with something. So it's unlimited emails that I can send. I have 1 sales funnel. I'm not making any more sales funnel. And there's one reason why I'm not making, even though I can make 3 sales funnels, I'm not making more than 1 sales funnel for one specific reason. 1 blog, which I'm utilizing, 1 course, which I haven't done yet, because I don't see the point of just having one course if I can basically connected only to 1 tag, 1 email list. And that's the main thing. 1 email list, 1 workflow. These are the things that limit a little bit because I would love more automation in my business. And this is where I can actually take most advantage. But unfortunately, it's just 111 on the free plan, which is already good, guys. Okay, it's already good because it's completely free. And I'm basically starting my internet marketing journey and generating leads and sales with it, and it doesn't cost me anything. So it's quite interesting to have the free plan. But I would say if you're starting the free plan, you're on a limited budget, you really cannot spend any money, you want to copy somebody else's sales funnel because you don't have the right skill sets and you want to learn the skill sets, then I would say get started with the free plan because that's what you can do. But if you're taking this seriously, if you're taking marketing in general online as a good side hustle to have, affiliate marketing, network marketing, whatever it is, and you want to build a system for yourself, a good sales process for yourself, then I would definitely take it seriously and have the $27 per month. Why? Because, for example, if you want to test affiliate marketing with health and wellness and you want to take a ClickBank offer and send paid traffic to it, you want to have different two funnels at least, or two different tags, because if you have two funnels, you need to have at least two tags. Otherwise, what's the point in having those funnels? You're not able, like, they will get to the email list and then what? They're not tracked anywhere. They're not. So you need to have more than one. It's great to have three funnels in the free step, but you're going to have only one tag, which is basically an email list, place where the emails are stored. And then you can automate that. So I would suggest, if you're really taking this seriously, to get started with startup, I think $27 per month is perfect pricing to have and is more than enough to get started with your journey. And I wanted to share with you this because just entering into the logic, if you're not taking it seriously, then you're not paying $27 per month for this offer compared to $147. You're saving a lot of money, okay? And compared to other softwares that are out there. So think about it. But I would say, if I was not showing you guys that it's possible even to get started from free, I would jump into startup. And trust me, I've been using this platform for about a month and a half already. And there have been at least 5 to 6 times that I've wanted to just pay the $27 per month, because my brain and my ideas and everything that I was thinking of is moving so much ahead of what I'm doing. And I had to stop myself and say, you know what, let's do this, because I want to show everybody that you can get to 2,000 leads, and then only you need to get the startup. But the whole point over here is that you can make your decision. So if you are somebody who's a little bit of more of an advanced marketer, and you want to start using Systeme.io as a tool, I've used many tools in the past, guys, but for me, Systeme.io is just by far the best one out there at the moment. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video, which is going to save you around $30 if you do decide to get the startup. So usually, let me show you guys this. Okay, usually it costs $27 per month as a monthly fee, right, for the startup. But if you do use the link in the description, you will basically get it for $18.90. Now, the reason for that is that this, and what you get from the startup package, by the way, 5,000 contacts, A/B testing, unlimited emails, unlimited storage, sales funnels, can go on. You can create your own affiliate program if you want, okay? It's pretty powerful. It's a pretty powerful tool. And you can also get a free migration of your entire website if you have it on another platform and you want to migrate it all here. You can do that as well. Get everything you need to promote. As you see, you can see the results of people that are using the software and using everything. And as I said, if you fill out this and everything else, you can get your discount of 30%. Now, the 30% discount is there specifically because it's an annual payment. So instead of paying, so this is including VAT, which is basically the tax. But if you pay for the entire year, it will cost you around $278, basically around $300 for the entire year. So just make a payment for 1 year. You can test it out for the entire year until you build 5,000 contacts, and you can see the tool. I would hands down buy a tool for $300 and pay just $300 a year on a tool that I'm using, that I'm loving. So it's pretty much, you can pay by card, you can pay by PayPal, it's up to you. But I'll leave a link in the description of this, specifically Systeme.io, the annual. And I think definitely, if you're not getting started for free, or if you're trying to figure out whether it makes sense to get started for free or not, the startup, in my opinion, is the most value for money. Besides the startup, and this is just my honest opinion, besides the startup, I would not go to the webinar, jump to the webinar one, because the webinar is specifically related to webinar. I would just jump, if I've got already 5,000 leads in my contacts, and I'm using this really well, and I want things to just, not have a hassle and not think about it, I would jump literally from $27 to $97 a month and have the unlimited package. That's what I would personally do. So it's up to you to make this decision. I'm showing you guys the journey, but I wanted to ask you or share with you how this specific tool can help small businesses, affiliate marketers, and in general, if you're taking this seriously, to even use it as a service. This is one last thing that I will say as a bonus. If you want to offer your services to other businesses, then I would highly recommend to get started with the startup, because that means that you can at least work with 5 businesses. Okay, so imagine if you're working for one business, local business, let's say a small business, right? You're working with that one business to create a community for them, to create courses for them, to create a good sales process for them, and convert their leads into actual sales for whatever they're doing. You can work with specifically, definitely 10, actually. 5, no, 10. You can work with 10 because you can create 10 email lists. So you can tags. So you can at least work with 10 of them. And each of them, say, let's say to build it and maintain it is paying you $200 a month. It's a huge profit margin that you have with getting this tool and actually sharing this with them. And ultimately they can get the tool if they want themselves, and they can become your affiliate. They can be under you and you can get paid a commission from them. So that's also another revenue stream that you're creating for yourself. So it's really, think about strategically, but I think the $27 per month is the most value for money that you can get in the space right now in any kind of system, all-in-one marketing tool. And that's why I'm talking about Systeme.io, and that's why I created this video. Guys, I will be doing more training, but I specifically wanted to talk about this because I'm going to leave a link in the description on the annual plan. Highly suggested. It costs $278, and you can get the annual plan in the description. Guys, I look forward to seeing you on future videos, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the description. If you want any support and help from me, there's a link to my Facebook group in the description also. And if you like this video, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so I can keep making these videos for you. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.